It is going to be a hot week around here. However, the heat advisory is only for one of our counties. That's Navarro, and then up toward the Dallas-Fort Worth area, over toward Tyler and Longview. The rest of us, I think humidity levels are actually going to come down over the next couple of days, but that will in turn allow temperatures to heat up just a bit more, and we could be close to 100 for actual air temperatures as we head into Wednesday. So let's take a look at what we are tracking for you. A hot late July week on the way. Will we see 100 again? That'll be close as we make our way into Wednesday. Then a weak summer front may greet us as we get into the first weekend of August. And that's never a bad thing to say. That could bring the chance for a couple of thunderstorms to the region. High temperatures with the heat index, 98 degrees on Tuesday, 101 the feels like temperature. Notice Wednesday, 99 is what we're going, but the feels like temperature is 100. What's going on here? Well, instead of having dew points in the 70s the next couple of days, I think they're just going to come down into the 60s. So that is going to help it not feel quite as humid across the area. However, the humidity will start to build in as we make our way into the weekend. So even though temperatures will be decreasing, the feels like temperature will come up as we will have more humidity, but maybe a chance for a couple of thunderstorms as well. But right now we are in the heat dome here across our area, everything being shoved around us. And I think that is going to be the case all this week around here. So we're really not anticipating a change until maybe late Friday or so. Speaking of that, here we go in our future track showing that things will be pretty quiet as we go through tonight, going into Tuesday, on into Wednesday, everything staying off to the east and southeast of us. Going into Thursday, still east and southeast of us, but a few more clouds start to roll on in. By Friday evening, a weak frontal boundary will try to work its way into our area. Now, where does it exactly set up? If it stays just north of us, best rain chances will be north of us. If it comes over the top of us, then we may have some better rain chances here late Friday going into Saturday. That's something we will have to track as we get closer. Don't want to go too far too fast here, as you can get promised things a few days out and then all of a sudden you get closer and the models start taking it away. So let's just see how this pans out over the next couple of days. So for tonight, temperatures down into the middle 70s. Tomorrow, it's going to be a hot one. Highs into the upper 90s, maybe even approaching 100 degrees as you head up toward Corsicana. And looking at your forecast, 98 degrees Tuesday, goes to 99 on Wednesday, mostly sunny skies. I do think some folks could hit 100 degrees as we make our way into the middle part of the week. And in fact, I may bring that up if the air mass continues to dry out. 97 degrees on Thursday. Then we start to get the humidity back and chances for a couple widely scattered thunderstorms. Late Friday going into Saturday, and maybe a few isolated thunderstorms on Sunday. Other than that, staying hot and humid into next week with highs into the middle 90s. And in the Brazos Valley, 97 degrees Tuesday, 98 on Wednesday. We'll go a chance for a couple of thunderstorms for you as well, especially by the end of the week on into the weekend.